This is Mojave to CNG to, I forget the name of that last trail. It's really fun though. Definitely speed better for these. Mojave. Yeah, that's not better. Ooh, spicy. Got some speed for those, or just some really good pop, I guess. Because I always feel like they have these doubles here. I feel like I have to like pedal in between to get them. We are on PCMR, so it's more not so much dedicated downhill, but as I'm learning, there's a bunch of trails up here that aren't on the map that are pretty slick. You just got to find them and know where they're at. You got to find me a local. So if you're local up here and you ride PCMR and you know some more of the downhilly lines and you wouldn't mind hauling someone around with you one time, I'd love to learn some of them. You know, Deer Valley's like my kind of go-to when it comes to bike park stuff, but we're on the lighter bike, no full face today. I found a couple trails that I for sure would not ride probably without the full face. I don't know what they are, what they're rated, because they're not on Trail Forks, they're not on the Google map that I found. So there's a bunch of them. Oh, such a fun little section here. Get out. Oh, you can probably jump that bush right there.